How to lateral in college football 25. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. If you want to perform a perfect lateral pass in your college football 24, all you need to do is just press on the L1 L2 button. This will initiate the lateral pass action in your college football 25. Aim in the desired direction by using right analog stick to point towards the intended receiver, after which just continuously click on or press on to your L1 or LB button to initiate the pass. Just make sure that your controllers are connected into your console beforehand. By this way, you'll be able to perform a perfect lateral pass in your college football 25. Laterals are often risky plays as they can lead to turnovers if intercepted or fumbled. Use them strategically and when the opportunity presents itself. Also remember, practice makes you perfect. And that's a wrap for the video as well. We hope that you will be able to pass a perfect lateral pass. Thank you so much for tuning in.